Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Happy Tuesday. I hope everybody had a great weekend. Today we're back at work. Today we're gonna get into stuffing some of our sinking funds from our check from Friday. So let's start with, we'll go high priority first. Our truck that we had to start over on is getting 20. Oops, not 40. Stop sticking. Our savings is getting 114. So 1, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. We're slowly but surely stacking up our savings, which is a good thing. Our emergency fund is getting 60. So we've got 50 and 60. We had to restart our emergency fund almost too because of what I had to fix on my truck. I needed to borrow from the emergency to cover that because my truck fund didn't have enough in there. Our gifts is getting 150. So we have 150, which is pretty good. We've got 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50, 70, 90, almost $600 in here to finish Christmas shopping when all those Black Friday deals that are coming out. I already started a while, like back in October, I think, for Prime Day, just so I didn't have to like try to rush and do it all at one time as time went by. So I'm starting early. I started early this year. Our future house is going to get a 10. So I think once that gets to 100 or maybe 50, I think maybe 50, I'll make sure it's all broke down into 5s, and then we'll do our dice game and put it in our home binder like we did last time. Babies is also going to get 10. I thought about making babies its own binder, just like I did with the home binder. Comment down below some suggestions for the different envelopes to put in a baby's binder from the people who have kids. I know you can't save up for everything you're gonna need, but it never hurts to have a little stockpile, I guess you could say. Wedding is going to also get 10. I need to make the wedding one too. I got plenty of binders for it. No new car. We did debt in the other video. No, I need to take the stuff off of those 2 envelopes because those aren't needed anymore. And our low priority. Our tattoo fund is going to get $10. We made it to 15. Our memberships is also getting 10. So we're 10, 20, 30. I believe we're halfway there because this is for my Sam's Club and I'm pretty sure that's 60 now. But it's not due to the end of December, so we've got time. Our puppers, which also might become its own binder because I have 2 dogs. So I might make it into its own binder and split things up between the 2 of them because they eat different foods. my one dog's older, so she needs different, like, supplements and stuff than the younger one, so I think I might do that also. Nothing for clothes. Nothing for travel yet. No tax refund. Medical is going to get 80. So 50, 70, 80. So we have our hospital bill to pay, which I think I might put it on my credit card. Because I have 80 of, what do I have in here? I think I had a 10 in there. 50, 70, 90. Yeah, I have 100 of it. So I only need 50 more dollars, but it's, the thing on the bill said due upon arrival or something like that. So I think that basically means you have to pay it as soon as you get it. And I've had it for like a week now. So I need to pay that. And then I will just take $50 from like my next check or something and pay the rest of that off. Our Baddies and Budgets Black Friday fund that I just started is going to get 100 because she has an advent calendar thing that she's doing for Black Friday and I want it. So I'm saving for it. Started a little late, but that's alright. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. I'd love to be able to potentially help you with your finances and savings and everything. If you already are subscribed, make sure you have that bell turned on so you know when I upload. Like the videos, comment, share it with your friends and your families. Just any interaction is appreciated and very accepted because I love talking with you guys. So I will see you next time. Bye.